Hi, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of a candidate. My name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the pre-IELTS speaking of candidate number 111098 and candidate name Sharan Preet Singh.
Jeet.
Sharan, can we start?
Yes.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
My name is Sharanjit Singh. I am from Sohagiri. It is located near to the Sun City.
Okay. What kind of facilities your hometown provide to you?
Yes, my hometown is not very big, but all the facilities are available in there. And there are 6 temples available in this my village, and all the people are related to my Punjabi culture.
Okay. Do people of your hometown live with a corporation?
Yes, all the people are living in my hometown are
With cooperation?
yes, are a cooperation, and all are very innocent, and they are very helpful and help each other.
What kind of people lives in your hometown? What kind of people lives in your hometown?
In my town, there are many people are living, and all are very helpful, and all are related to Sikhs. And
Any kind of changes which you would like to have in your hometown?
yes, my village don't have not any ground, and I think need for one ground.
Okay. I'll put you some questions related to farming. Have you ever indulged in farming?
Yes, my father is farmer, and I love farming. In my future, I like to job farm.
Okay. What kind of farm would you like to visit?
I like to farm crops like rice and other vegetables.
Okay. Is farming an important occupation of your country?
Yes, farming is very important for occupation of my country, because without a family, I think every person not live long time.
Okay. Do people engage in farming in your hometown?
Engage?
Engage. Do people of your hometown enrolled in farming?
Yes. No, some people are in my country are enrolled in farming because they are not interested.
Okay. Okay, I'll put you some questions related to money. Do you save money?
Yes, I save money because without money in my country, I have not purchased anything.
Okay. What's the importance of money in your life?
I think money is very important for everyone's life, because nowadays money is very important, because without money every person have not doing any work.
Do people of your country save money?
Yes, some people are save money, but others are wastage of money.
Why do you think some parents give their children money to spend each week?
Because they love our child very much, and they dream to fulfill our need of our child.
You want to buy something, but you do not have enough money. How you feel?
I feel very bad in this situation. I feel very bad because
Do you spend money wisely?
wisely.
Carefully?
Yes, I use money wisely, because I am not waste. I am a person who not waste the money, and I help the poor people and donate charity to the poor.
Why do you think some people feel happy when they spend money on something?
Because helps to our people with the money, they feel very happy, and their heart is the fulfilling.
Okay. Okay, so this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue cutter. I will give you one topic, 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. Your topic is number 1.
वर्क तो वही ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਨੌਕਰੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਨਾ ਜੀ
Okay, start.
I have many plans related to future in my life. Here today we'll talk about one plan related to my future. In my future, I go to Canada and doing some activity related to environment and which was not included study or work. And my dream is going to Canada and full enjoyment without any work or study. And I think this work is not very simple. This is very difficult. And I achieve this work and feel very happy because I know there is not very easy for me, but I success in this plan very easily. And moreover, I plan to go for a beach with my friends in Canada and swimming with my relatives. And so this work is not doing without study, and I got studies doing this work.
Okay, so this is the end of section 2. Can I get my book back, please? Now I put you some more questions related to future aspects. Which is better, having a lot of plans or having a no plan at all?
Better is having a plan because every person have their own plans. They are concrete plan related to our minds, and every person have their own plan.
Why do most people make plans before they go for traveling? Why do most people make plans before they go for traveling?
Because their mind is very fresh before going to traveling. They was going traveling, their mind is going anywhere.
Do you think planning help us to prepare for unseen troubles?
Yes, I think without planning, in nowadays without planning, every person have not doing any work. So planning are very significant role in our life.
What do you think people do when they face unpredictable issues?
Because of their work.
Okay. And
they're doing work without planning.
How do individuals feel when their plans do not work out?
They feel very bad because they planned any work with the help of our mind. So which plan is not to fulfill their needs, so they feel very bad.
Do you think being unsuccessful is a sign of poor future planning?
No, I don't think being successful is future of science because a person can earn success in our life, so they can so they can
Try.
so they can try it more again and again, so they were successful.
Okay. Okay, Sharon, this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.
Thank you.